Okay, we are doing the sauces for our pasta. So I've chosen two vegetarian sauce to start with. And there's an option, a non-veg option, of course, with the one with the prawns. And also the peronata can go with chicken, because chicken and peppers match together a lot. So what I'm going to do now is roast the peppers, capsicums, in the oven. So we're going to place them in this electric oven at a temperature of 180, 200 degrees, and just roast them till we can, after, remove the skin. This is a very important process. We're going to check the temperature, not too high, go about 200. And this process will take 25, half an hour. So while we do this, we're going to make the Puttanesca sauce, which is a typical dish from Rome and South Italy. Puttanesca is like it's close to marinara, but it's a little more rich. So we have to first blanch our sun-dried tomatoes. These are Indian sun-dried tomatoes, available everywhere. But before using them, because they are too dry, we have to blanch them. So I'm going to throw them in veg stock. And wait a little bit and get a spoon. Twist them. And these 2-3 minutes are soft. While we do this, we're going to start our sauce. So every Italian sauce starts with a good dash of olive oil, just to fill up your pan. We're going to light first, make the pan hot. Okay. Again, heat the pan, cover the bottom in olive oil. Just cover the bottom, you adjust with the size. If you have a big pan for more people, you will have to cover the big pan. Yes. Again, fresh garlic. Fresh garlic, you have to remove the skin, open it, and just get the garlic out. For your knowledge, garlic in Italy is this size big. So once you peel one, it's enough. It's very, very big. And we also have a variety of garlic which comes from the family of leeks, which is called aglione, kissing garlic. Why kissing garlic? Because after you eat a lot of it, you can still kiss. So makes it funny, but makes sense, because it doesn't have the substance that comes back into the digestion, so which is called aglin. And this giant garlic, because it comes from the family of the leeks, but it has the same aroma of a garlic. So that gives, and it's got a lot of juiciness. So you can do a lot of alioli, or you can do garlic mayonnaise, and you can do garlic mousse or roast garlic. In this case, we're going to just fry this garlic, as we've done with the classic Italian arrabbiata sauce. We put not many. As you see, I always keep the garlic full. I don't chop the garlic, because if you chop the garlic, it becomes burnt and bitter. So you don't want to have this result. So you just put the garlic as it is. Just peel it and put it inside. Okay? Again, chilies. I love Kashmiri chilies, and I will mix them with a bit of green chilies to give the extra feeling. So one green chili for the Italian flavor is enough. You don't have to go crazy. I'm cutting the green chili. Again, not fine chop, because the chilies, we don't want to burn the chili. Just have to get a flavor to start. I think one more, it's fine. So Puttanesca is a sauce made of arrabbiata with olives. Olives are frying, and we're going to put capers. A good amount of capers. We're going to fry everything. And now the old sun-dried tomatoes, see, are nice and red, soft. We are ready to put them inside the sauce, but we need to give them a little chop. So, put off the fire here. We have our sun-dried tomato. Sauce is frying. And we have to just chop. We're gonna chop them because this is gonna go in a pasta, so you don't want to have big chunks of sun-dried tomato or anything. Our sauce is cooking, and we are ready to put a large, gentle amount of sun-dried tomato inside. Clean the knife and toss. Okay. Now our sauce can go a little bit fusion. We are putting a little bit of a gond achar, which are very close to the olives flavor, and gives this pickle gives a strong twist to our sauce, a richness. Puttanesca means everything goes. So in that sense, I take the Indian vibe, and I'm joking with amchar and the pickles. Okay? It looks like a giant olives, so why not? Roasting everything together. So now we have a nice, rich, spicy base. How to sauce? We have to put tomato puree or tomato pelati, if you have Italian pelati by chance, or a puree of fresh tomato. In this case, tomato puree ready. Again, we can use a bit of water to dilute the sauce. In this case, I won't put any salt because we have capers, we have pickle, we have olives. Everything has got salt, so there's no need to increase. There's just a need is to put a little more water, or stock is preferable, to let the ingredients get together and soft. Okay. Last ingredients for the puttanesca is parsley, and in this case I use parsley and coriander together. We have done, and we are ready for this. Wow, the smell is very nice. In puttanesca, there is also mixed herbs with oregano and all, which goes very fine. A little bit of chili flakes. And yes, our sauce is ready. You just turn it off and you can put herbs. Here you go.